Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about Autosar. Okay, so what is the Autosar? What is the purpose of Autosar? What do you mean? Where it is used? Block diagram of Autosar. So these things we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so like Autosar, what is Autosar? Okay, first we have to know. Before that, what is full form Autosar? What is a stand for the Autosar? Okay, so basically Autosar stand for the Automotive Open System Architecture. Okay, so it's a stand for the Automotive Open System Architecture. Okay, architecture. Okay, so it stands for the Automotive Open System Architecture. Okay, next, Autosar is a standard layer architecture. Autosar is the standard layer architecture. Okay, okay. So next, it make also software and hardware independent. It's also make software and hardware independent. Independent. Okay. So this is what the Autosar. So basically, it is the automotive open system architecture, and it is also a standard layer architecture, and it makes software and hardware independent. So this is known as the Autosar. Autosar. Okay. Now coming to the Autosar layer architecture. Okay, or block diagram of Autosar layer architecture. So Autosar block diagram. Okay. So let's see. So it will come from the bottom to top. Okay, in bottom what will come, after that next what will come, so it will come layer by layer. So that's what it is, layer architecture. That's why we are saying Autosar is the standard layer architecture. It will come layer by layer, one by one. So first, in bottom it will come. Okay, one second. So BSW. So okay, so first, bottom first layer it will come as a MCU. Next one is come BSW. Okay, then RT, then SW. So in BSW there is four container, four layer. It will come under the BSW. So first it will come MK layer. Okay, M layer. Okay, then next one is ECU abstraction layer. Okay, next we will CDD, then services. Okay, so this is what layer it will come in the BSW layer. Okay, next will come RT. This is nothing but run time environment. Okay, environment. Okay, so this and final in top it will come application. So this is what the Autosar layer architecture. It will go by layer, one layer to another layer, another layer to another layer. So this is the way it will flow from layer by layer. So in MCU, like what is the MCU? MC is a stand for the. So I will write here MCU. Basically, it is the micro. Okay, I will write short form control unit. Okay, so this is microcontroller unit, MCU understood for. Basically, what is the use of this? Basically, MCUs help to configure the power mode settings, and it also help to the initialize the clock. So that is the purpose of MCU. Okay. Next one is that MK layer. Okay. So MK layer. So basically, it's a stand for the micro. Okay, control abstraction layer. Okay, so MKL is nothing but is the stand for the microcontroller abstraction layer. It is also one type of software modules where all the models, all the chips, it will directly access on this using MCU, microcontroller unit, and it is also, it will keep BSW and SW independent through MCU. Okay, so both are not dependent to MCU. That's what the MK layer. Okay, so next, and one more things, MK layer depend, so MKL uh, depend upon MCU. Okay, so MK layer here, it will be depend upon the MCU. Okay, that is the MK layer. Next, coming to the ECU abstraction. Okay, ECU and CDD. So ECU and CDD. So CDD is nothing but complex driver device. Okay, okay, so both are independent. Okay, independent on MCU. Okay, so basically it will not depend on the MCU. It is, but it is depend upon where, it is depend upon the ECU hardware. Okay, for that one ECU hardware is there, for on them both are dependent. Okay, so dependent on ECU hardware. Okay, hardware. So that is what the ECU and CDD. Okay, so next, coming to the services. So services, so basically services is uh, independent on MCU, and so basically it will not depend on the bottom layer. It will independent on MCU and ECU hardware ECU hardware. Okay, so that's what the services. Now coming to the, so this all four container, it's come under the BSW, MK layer, ECU abstraction layer, CDD and services. Okay, so this is what the BSW is nothing but the one type of software component, basic software component we are saying. Okay, now coming to the RTE. Okay, RTE, as I said, it is the run time environment. Okay, environment. So basically RT is also one type of virtual bus, we can say that. Okay, virtual bus where it will be interface, it will interface between BSW to application layer, or SW we can say that. Okay, so basically it will interface between lower layer to upper layer, BSW to SW. That is the purpose here of RT. Okay, now coming to the application. So application, so here application is one type of software component. Okay, and here it is the project specific. Okay, specific. Here application is one type of software component where it's also depend upon the project specific, and we can also in application we can do port and port interface. Okay, so port and port interface. So these things we interface. So these things we will discuss in another video. For till now, this is what the Autosar and Autosar block diagram or architecture layer, we can say it. Okay, so once again I will explain, like Autosar is the open automotive open system architecture, and it is a standard layer, and it will keep software and hardware independent. So that is the Autosar. Basically it will use in the automotive domain. Okay, next block diagram of Autosar or architecture of Autosar we consider. So it will start from the layer by layer, from bottom layer to top layer. So in bottom layer, as I said, it will come MCU, then MK layer, so issue abstraction layer, then CDD, then services. So these all four under come the BSW only. Okay. Next, coming to the RT. So RT is interface between the BSW to application. Okay. So that is the purpose of here RT and application. As I said, it is one type of software component where we can we will configure like a port interface, all things. Basically it is the project specific. Okay. So I hope till now you got something about Autosar architecture. Okay. So if you like this video, please share and comment, and uh, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.